Sometimes travel doesn't go as planned. A 3-star hotel disappointed us, and then our debit card was stolen. But in the middle of the chaos, we found a sweet escape: the best chocolate cake and the most amazing ice cream in Pattaya. Travel is full of surprises, some sweet, some challenging. When life gives you lemons, why not reach for chocolate cake instead? Will you stay bitter or embrace the sweetness and enjoy every moment? Stick around to see how we turned our worst travel day into one of our most delicious adventures.
So we are here, and the hotel is called Honey House 3. Let's check it out. So let's go in. Looks nice, and I assume this is the breakfast area. Sawadika! Bye-bye! So this is our room.
There we go.
Okay, and this is the room. So let's check our view. Our view, it's simply amazing. Yes, that's the view. We don't know where we are at the moment. It's like so crazy. It looks like jail bars, but that's our view. By the way, we have one more window, but I don't think you want to see it. Let me show you. Ta-da! All the air conditioning from the hotel are here. Right here, it's our bed. My head was vibrating. I was laying down. I'm like, what's happening? All this air conditioning started working at the same time, and my bed was like shaking. It was crazy. I don't know where we are. And this is actually the living room, which is a little bit weird because if you sit here, you see the air conditioning. But Daniel is happy that he has a desk. So
Ta-da! The
yes.
internet speed is absolutely horrible, but it's still working.
Yeah.
It's better than S Beach in Kukut, where there is no internet. They said free Wi-Fi, but there is no Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's free, but there is no Wi-Fi.
What else do we have? And this is our bed. Look how nice it is. I think I showed you in the beginning of the video. And that's our favorite view. And you can see the little kitty right here. I can zoom in. Oh, hello, kitty. Look at the kitty. So we have a kitty here. He was trying to catch a bird earlier. We've never been in a hotel behind bars. The kitty's happy. Look at the kitty. He's just chilling there. Okay, let's go back to work. I guess I'm going cuckoo here. Daniel is working on our website, so check it out. It's Lina. And then let me show you our backyard. This is Blue House Hotel. Looks this in front of us. I don't remember what was the name. I was looking at that one, but it was like a lot more expensive than the one we are right now. And they have also construction here. You can hear the birds and enjoy the birds. Yeah, I like the birds when they sing. So I went downstairs in the lobby to ask the receptionist if she has a flat pillow, because this one is way too big and my neck is hurting me. And she is pointing at the lobby couch and she was like, yes, get a pillow. And she just go there and sleep pillow. And I was like, no, I want to sleep in my room. I want to sleep on the couch in the lobby. I just didn't understand what she's saying. So she got up running and she brought me this. This is the couch pillow from the lobby. She said, just put the pillowcase and sleep. It's just a funny story I wanted to share with you guys. I've never encountered anything like it, so I wanted to share. It's still a solution. Many people, they don't have solutions, so I just admire her solution, which is amazing. In life, you have to be a problem solver. So I'm just gonna change this pillow. Usually we carry pillows cases from US, so I'm just gonna put 2 pillowcases and use this and have a better sleep. Good night, and we'll see you in the morning. What's happening? It's water.
Jump. What a garbage.
This is the current situation.
After a sleepless night, battling flood water from the AC and chasing mosquitoes like it was our new full-time job, we finally had enough. We packed up and got ready to move to a new hotel. Traveling the world isn't always Instagram perfect. Sometimes it's more like reality TV with free mosquito bites.
We're on our way to H29, our new hotel here in the area.
It's closer to the beach.
Yeah, it's closer to the beach and
Night market.
so we have arrived. Looks beautiful. This is the hotel. Sawadika. Let's go and check in. Looks nice and beautiful. Sawadika. So the hotel has what is it? Ice cream? Oh, we have to try it definitely. It looks so nice. It's rated 9.2. And we are going to the 6th floor.
Very nice.
And we are buy one get free one buy one.
It's like
get
happy hour, right?
So let's go to 610. So 611, 610. Okay. And the most important thing, that Daniel got his desk. Live.
And this is what we need. Simple, basic furnitures. It's like IKEA furnitures. And it's so clean. You see everything, the sheets, it's like brand new sheets. I love this kind of hotel. Everything you need. Simple, basic, modern furniture. That's all we need.
Absolutely.
The bathroom is really good. The shower is really good.
They have some shampoo and shower gel for us.
We also like to have these power outlets. Absolutely love it.
Yeah, we have a TV that we never use.
We never use, but in its
Yeah.
perfect place.
We also have a couch with a table. You have a place to put your suitcases. And I also like the drone shot. This picture really inspired me one day to go to Everest. The floor is
It's
really,
very clean.
really
Yes.
clean floor. You know, little things. Also, we have a fridge with some goodies here and complimentary water.
Here, internet is absolutely blowing my mind. It's 10 milliseconds, the ping, which is very fast. And the second one, the speed, it's about 200 megabits per second. Absolutely love it. It's perfect for online working and whatever you do online. I'm really pleased with this hotel room.
Cheers!
DHL rocks. FedEx sucks.
Sawadika!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
This is it.
It's here. I'm so happy.
Finally, we received our package with our debit card from US to Thailand. Long story short, that's the second attempt to receive that package. First was with FedEx, and it was completely failure. They even said that the package was destroyed. I never liked FedEx, and I don't regret that I'm saying this about FedEx. So next we called the bank and we requested another delivery by DHL. Only for 3 business days. Flew from Texas, I believe, here to Pattaya, Thailand, And it was successful. So guys, if you need to receive something internationally, DHL is absolutely the answer. Finally, it's here.
Open it. So happy now. We have, and why we like our card? Because there is no international fees.
If you want to take out cash, this is the best. This is the best debit card.
It's also good because it's connected to our brokerage. So
Yes,
it's amazing.
yes, absolutely. Ta-da!
Perfect.
Thank you guys, and travel smart.
Please subscribe and follow our adventures. So we came to an ice cream place. It's called the Princess Enchilado de Penguin. It looks like that this place is the children's dream. And tonight we are children. So many ice creams to choose from. This is the ice cream we got. Looks delicious. Kapunka. So our Sunday have arrived. This is how it looks like. Isn't it so yummy? I can't wait to try it. So I got vanilla and chocolate Nutella. And it looks like it's a children's dream. But so many other people I see here, it's not a children's place.
Good.
There is a little bear here and a princess, some other stuff. And here a lady, I don't know who she is.
Petition your hand, see you catch me when they will roll home.
You can do a chocolate workshop for 150 baht. And let's go and get a dessert. So what chocolate are we gonna order? Oh, I want the chocolate cake, 7.
Yes.
Yes, are we getting it?
Yes, we do.
Let's go get the chocolate cake. This is the place for us. Some bestsellers here. Wow, it looks amazing. Sawadika. So many good. Some samples like a candy. Yeah, you can try different samples here. Oh wow, look at the cake. It's a purse cake or a car cake. That's the one I want, chocolate cake. Oh, too much chocolate. No, I don't want that one. Chocolate fudge. I love chocolate. Maybe I love chocolate. I love chocolate. This is the cake. It's really nice. So now we're gonna give it a try. Here we go. And it says oven fresh cake. I cannot wait to try it. Oh wow, looks so nice. So much chocolate inside. This is the cake. I love chocolate. That's how the name of the cake is. So chocolate.